All right, thank you, viewers. We are continuing the second question, the third one and the fourth one together. Please, from what we have there, we have 4x squared. 4x squared is equal to 7x minus 3. So we must rearrange it. That will be 4x squared minus 7x. That is minus 7x. Then when we take this one into plus 3 is equal to 0. So from what we have there, we can easily go back to this equation and divide through by the coefficient of x squared. So what we have is 4x squared over 4 minus 7x over 4 plus 3 over 4 equals 0. So 4 cancel 4 here. So what do we have left? This one is talking about the sum, while this one is talking about the product. This is the product, this is the sum. So we bring it out. So we now say the sum is equal to minus 7 over 4, which will give us minus 1 whole number 3 over 4. That's for the sum. Then when we talk about the product will be adding 3 over 4, which to remain as 3 over 4 as a fraction. So these are the sum. This is the root of the equation. The two here, this is the first one, this is the second root of the equation. Now I want to go to the next question that says, find the quadratic equation whose roots are these. Now we will use two patterns to calculate this question. We can use this, then we can use this. Now let's see the first one. Where we have this, we will use the first formula. That is x minus, the two roots are minus 4 and then 5. Minus 4 and 5 mean here is the alpha, while this one is beta. So alpha is equal to minus 4 and then beta is equal to 5. So we put it back into this. We have x minus alpha. We open another one, x minus beta. That means equal to 0. That will be x minus 4, then into x minus 5 equals 0. So that will be x plus 4 into x minus 5. That will give us d. So we have x times x will give us x squared. X times will go minus 5x. This one time will give us plus 4x. This time will give us minus 20 equals 0. That will be x squared. This one and this one will give us minus x, then minus 20 equals 0. So this is the equation that produces this root, which are minus 4 and 5. Then the last question there, which is number 2 under that one. Number 2 here says 3 minus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. Now under this, I want us to use this formula, this pattern. We will use this and put it back into the formula. So how will it be? Let's work on the what we have there. Now if we are going to work on this, the next thing we are going to do is that we look for the sum. Let's look for the sum. The sum will now be alpha plus beta. That will be alpha plus beta. And that will implies that we have 3 minus root 2 plus 3 plus root 2. So the next thing we have is going to be, that will be 3 minus this and 3 plus this. This one will give us this one, that will be 3 plus 3. Then what we have is, then this one plus this one we cancel it. So what we have is 3 plus this, that will give us 6. That's the sum. Now when we move down to the product is equal to this one times this. How do you do it? That will be 3 minus root 2. When you have it like this, then you have 3 plus root 2. Now you open it because we are multiplying. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 3 times this one will give us plus 3 root 2. Then this one times it will give us minus 3 root 2. Then minus root 2 times plus root 2. That will give us, we have plus times minus will give us minus. That will be root 4 altogether. And root 4 will give us 2. So we have 2. Now the next one we'll do is that this one we cancel it. So what we have is 9 minus 2. That will give us 7. So 7 is the product, while 6 is the sum. Then bringing it down to this equation, then we have s squared minus alpha plus beta x. Then we have plus alpha beta equals 0. So that will be s squared minus, what is our sum? That's 6 with x plus, what is this? Plus 7 equals 0. So the final answer will now be s squared minus 6x plus 7 equals 0. So this is the equation that gave us the root of 3 minus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. Thank you. God bless you.